I waited for weeks or months for a specialist appointment only to get there and realize you forgot half of the things you meant to ask. It happens to so many people, not because they are unprepared, but because navigating the NHS sometimes feels overwhelming. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the most of that appointment, whether it's cardiology, gynecology, dermatology, or anything in between. Your specialist appointment is not just a checkup. It's a chance to confirm the diagnosis, plan the right treatment, and avoid unnecessary delays later. As clinicians, we rely on the partnership between GP and specialist teams. Behind the scenes, the referral letters, medical histories, blood tests, and scans. All of these help specialists understand your case before you even walk through the door. So when you attend prepared, it makes the whole system work better for everyone, including you. Here's what to take with you. Remember your symptoms. When they started, what makes them better or worse? Your medication list, especially if you take more than 3 medicines. Any previous test results you have access to. Your medical history, surgeries, allergies, long-term conditions. A list of questions you don't want to forget. You don't need to write an essay, just clear bullet points. Clinically, this makes your appointment far more effective, and from a governance perspective, it reduces the risk of missed information, one of the most causes of delay in care pathways. A specialist appointment usually includes a detailed history. They want your version of the events, an examination, reviewing tests you've already done, and deciding if you need more investigations and for you to agree a treatment plan. Sometimes the specialist may not give an answer on that day, not because they don't know, but because safe medicine is stepwise. I always remind patients every test, every follow-up, every plan has a clinical reason behind it, not bureaucracy. One of the biggest changes in modern NHS care is how you can now do things digitally. The NHS app lets you check upcoming appointments. Some hospitals allow you to respond to letters online. You can access test results faster, and you can receive appointment reminders digitally. As someone involved in digital information, I always encourage patients to set up the NHS app early. It reduces missed appointments and keeps you in control of your care. Before you walk out, make sure you understand what's the working diagnosis from the specialist, what tests or scans are needed and why, what treatment is being recommended, and when you will be reviewed. What symptoms should prompt you to seek help sooner? And don't be shy to say, can you explain that again in simpler language? Every clinician expects this. It's part of inclusive healthcare. When you prepare well, you don't just make the appointment smoother, you improve your outcome. Healthcare works best when patients and clinicians work together. I'm Dr. Jide, helping you understand healthcare one conversation at a time. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Next week, we'll be talking about a big topic: why NHS waiting lists are so long and what patients can do. See you on the next episode. Bye.